Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could change the way you approach your fitness routine. Meet the ANCHEER Treadmill, a folding incline walking pad designed for home and office use. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The ANCHEER Treadmill is not your average walking pad. It's a versatile piece of fitness equipment that combines convenience and functionality, making it perfect for anyone looking to incorporate more movement into their daily lives. Whether you're working from home or just want to maintain an active lifestyle, this treadmill checks all the boxes. Let's dive into some of its standout features. First up is the impressive 360 degrees balance support offered by its enhanced safety handlebars. Unlike wobbly alternatives, this treadmill is designed with sturdy handlebars and an anti-sway frame, giving you the confidence to walk, jog, or run without the fear of losing your balance. This feature is particularly beneficial for active runners, weight loss enthusiasts, and those undergoing physical rehabilitation, as it can help share up to 30% of your body weight, reducing stress on your joints. Next, we have the adjustable incline feature. The ANCHEER Treadmill boasts a 12% incline, which can realistically simulate the experience of walking uphill. This means you can burn up to 1.8 times more calories per hour compared to regular flat walking pads. The treadmill also comes with a spacious 16.17-inch anti-slip running belt, allowing for a comfortable and natural stride perfect for users of all heights and walking styles. Another impressive aspect is its powerful 3.0 HP brushless motor. This high-efficiency motor ensures smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for both home and office environments. With a speed range from 0.6 to 6.0 miles per hour, you can tailor your workout to suit your needs, whether you're leisurely walking or engaging in a more intense cardio session. The treadmill can accommodate users weighing up to 320 pounds, thanks to its industrial-grade alloy steel frame. For those concerned about joint health, the ANCHEER Treadmill shines with its pro-level joint safeguard and shock absorption features. Equipped with 6 high-performance damping shock absorbers and a cushioned running belt, it minimizes impact on your knees and joints by up to 60%. This makes it a fantastic option for anyone looking for a secure and low-impact exercise solution. Now, let's talk about practicality. This treadmill is designed with a space-saving philosophy in mind. It folds down to just 4.2 inches in height, making it easy to store under your bed, sofa, or desk. Weighing only around 40 pounds and featuring smooth rolling front wheels, relocating or storing the treadmill is a breeze. This is particularly useful for those with compact living spaces or small home offices. So, who is this treadmill suitable for? It's perfect for busy professionals who want to incorporate movement into their workday, fitness enthusiasts looking for a reliable workout option at home, or even those in physical rehabilitation who need a safe and supportive environment to exercise. Whether you're walking, jogging, or just looking to get more steps in throughout the day, the ANCHEER Treadmill is a versatile companion. In summary, the ANCHEER Treadmill offers a range of features designed to support a healthy and active lifestyle. With its sturdy build, adjustable incline, and space-saving design, it stands out as a practical solution for anyone looking to improve their fitness without sacrificing space. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.